Hey there, it's Miley with Cloud App. Today we have a blog post on how to use Google Sheets to increase productivity. I love Google Sheets personally. I love being able to collaborate with others in real time and not having to, save and upload new versions of the spreadsheet. So this is super helpful for me, and I'm sure many of you also use Google Sheets religiously. So we can always learn more tricks to help us. Improve our productivity within it. So we'll go over what Google Sheets is, and then we'll also go over our top tips for productivity. So the first is to take advantage of keyboard shortcuts. So we'll go over some of those. And then also make sure that you're importing crucial data automatically. That way you don't have to, manually go in and even copy and paste that. There are ways to actually just directly upload the data. You can also import data from Google Forms, which is nice, and I've used that before. It's nice to have that ready to go. Then you can also use the built-in commenting feature, and this is great if you are wanting to work with your team within the document. I personally do this for a lot of our blog content. If I need help from someone else on the team, I'll assign it to them by basically commenting, and then you can click assign. And so that's a great feature. Then you can also integrate your favorite tools, and you can also use Cloud App as part of Google Sheets. You're able to easily, drag and drop your Cloud App drops onto Google Sheets, so you can use them there. This is really nice if you have something like a table that you want to import, or really anything. And then you can also include visuals in your sheets. I think that's something that is maybe underutilized, but I find really helpful. So we'll go over that. And then we'll also go over some templates that can make everything really useful. There's no need to reinvent the wheel on certain templates when someone's already created one that's awesome. And then we'll go over some different templates that you can use. And so hopefully that helps you use Google Sheets a little more productively. And I hope that helps you.